impossible monster finger egg rolls. 1 red onion. About 14 whole white mushrooms. 1 bunch of green onions. And now the nails. You only need 4 sweet potatoes. Make sure they are large and circular. I bought too much. Oops. Be sure to wear cut-resistant gloves if you are not confident in your cutting skills. It's better to be safe than sorry. Nail size, 1.5 inches width, 3 inches length. Once you reach 35 nails, stop. Separate the large pieces from the small ones. Save the larger pieces for another recipe you'd like to make. For example, sweet potato french fries. And for the little ones, one head garlic. Smash. Two 12-ounce packages of Impossible ground beef made from plants. One cup of just egg, folded plant-based liquid egg. 1/4 cup of vegan fish sauce. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 whole block of tofu. Two packages of Twin Dragon egg roll wrappers. 1/4 cup. Water. Cut along the folded line. For the nails. Fill a large frying pan with 1.5 inches of vegetable oil. Heat to about 350 Fahrenheit. Wait about 5 to 6 minutes for the oil to get hot. Be sure to lay the nail side flat first when frying. If you don't, the nails will float out of the egg roll. Slowly add rolls to the frying pan, but do not crowd them because they will stick together if placed too close. Fry each side of the egg roll for about 4 to 5 minutes or until all sides are crisp and brown. Helps to drain and remove excess oil.
Wow!
Party time!
Yeah!